There used to be a bird in a forest. She lived in her little nest. The bird went to get food every morning and returned in the evening. One day when she went to get food, it started raining very heavily. "Where shall I go? How shall I go home?" The bird was very small and could not go home because of the rain. It had no choice but to spend the night on a tree because it was a paper night. The next day, when the rain stopped, there she came out of the nest and went out. In her spirit, she saw a rabbit relaxing. The bird said to the rabbit, "Oh house, what are you doing here? This is my intrusion, so you should not be here. Go away from here tomorrow night. I put you in your nest, that's why this nest is mine. How can I believe that this is your nest?" The bird is very sad and angry. And listening to the rabbit, it quietly comes to him and reaches there and slowly starts chanting the name of God. They ask whose courage is the bird. The rabbit is with the cat. The cat was chanting the name of God. When the cat opened his eyes, he told the zoo everything. Dilly closed his eyes again and continued to listen to him, but suddenly, the cunning cat caught both of them and ate them and filled his stomach with sparrows and rabbits. That's why they say that we should take a decision carefully, otherwise we can lose our lives instead of making a decision. K. Sunderband was very much alive like his name, Sunderban. It's fun, idiot. Sunderbund was very beautiful like its name. There was a huge pond on the beach of Sunderbund. In this pond, there were fishes and many kinds of aquatic life. Both of them used to spend happily in this pond with their friends. Jab Kampa Kali and Ram Kali considered themselves very clever and wise and used to make fun of Jab and Bondo. Where was Bondu Maharaj wandering about? Was he looking for his wife? Yes, let him stay, your wife runs away from him. He is such a stinking fool, but he used to laugh at everything he said. One day after this pond, a man saw his fishes in the pond, he was very happy and said, "Oh, there are many fishes in this pond. Hey, they are also so big, so my net is small, tomorrow I will bring a big net and catch them all. You will get a lot of money in the market." The frog and his fish friend listened to the fish. Gah. After hearing the sweet talk, the two girls went to everyone and started making fun of him. "If that fisherman still goes, don't we know how to shoot well, we will just go. I went away from this pond with my family at the same time." The next morning, the mosquito came with a net and caught him in his net and began to take them away. Seeing this, the frog and his wife were very sad. "I wish my fish friends had believed me. They always thought I was a Buddha. Never listened to me." On the way, when the fishes saw the medic on the way, they also realized their mistake. "We did a lot of wrong," they always called their friends smelly. You should always support the truth.